Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we tackle what might seem like an impossible dream. Learning a new language can feel like climbing a huge mountain, especially one as tricky as German. The grammar, the pronunciation, the endless vocabulary, it can all seem overwhelming. But what if I told you you could have a simple chat in German in just 11 hours? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. It's not. 11 hours won't make you fluent, but it's enough time to get a good start. Imagine being able to introduce yourself, ask basic questions, and understand simple responses. Think of it as a quick lesson, a jumpstart to get you speaking, understanding, and most importantly, excited about German. You'll be able to connect with people in a new way, opening doors to new friendships and experiences. This guide breaks down those 11 hours, focusing on useful tricks and goals you can actually reach. We'll cover essential phrases, pronunciation tips, and cultural insights to make your learning experience richer and more enjoyable. We'll start speaking right away, and mistakes are okay. In fact, making mistakes is a crucial part of the learning process. It helps you understand what works and what doesn't. Forget being perfect. This is about getting confident and having fun. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and soon enough, you'll find yourself thinking in German. Ready for this exciting adventure? Let's go. Together, we'll make what seems like an impossible dream a reality. So grab your notebook, your enthusiasm, and let's dive into the world of German. The first few hours of learning a new language are super important. They set the tone for your entire learning journey and can make a huge difference in how quickly you pick up the language. Think of these initial hours like building the base of a house. Without a strong foundation, the house won't stand firm. Similarly, a solid start in learning German will make everything else easier. In these first 3 hours, we'll focus on two main things: how to say words correctly, and how to use basic phrases in everyday situations. This will give you the confidence to start speaking right away. German pronunciation might seem scary at first, but once you understand the rules, it actually makes a lot of sense. It's all about practice and getting used to the sounds. Start by learning the sounds of the German alphabet. This is the building block for everything else. Each letter has a specific sound, and mastering these will help you pronounce words correctly. Pay special attention to the vowels. Notice how they are different from English vowels. This difference is key to sounding more natural when you speak German. Practice easy German words like hello, danke, thank you, and bitte, please. These are simple yet essential words that you'll use every day. These words are incredibly useful in daily interactions and will help you get a feel for the rhythm and flow of the language. Plus, they are great for building your confidence. Next, let's learn some useful phrases. These will help you navigate basic conversations and make it easier to interact with German speakers. Don't worry about hard grammar rules for now. They can be overwhelming and aren't necessary for basic communication. Focus on simple, practical phrases instead. Just memorize simple greetings, introductions, and polite words. These will be your go-to phrases in many situations and will help you feel more comfortable speaking German. For example, ich heiße, my name is a great way to introduce yourself. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Is another useful phrase that can help you start a conversation. And Entschuldigung, excuse me, is perfect for getting someone's attention politely. These phrases will help you talk to people and feel more confident right away. With these basics, you'll be well on your way to building a strong foundation in German. Okay, now that you've got a feel for it, let's dive into some easy grammar concepts that will make learning German a breeze. Don't worry, nothing too hard. We'll start with the basics and build up gradually. In these 2 hours, we'll cover how German sentences are structured and how to use verbs effectively. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation. German sentences usually follow a subject-verb-object order like I eat pizza or ich esse Pizza, but sometimes the structure can change, especially in questions or subordinate clauses. Learn the basic rules and practice making simple sentences like Ich spreche Deutsch, I speak German, or Ich möchte einen Kaffee, I would like a coffee. These sentences will help you get comfortable with the language. Understanding the word order is crucial. It will help you make sense of more complex sentences as you progress. Flashcards can be a great tool for this. Verbs are super important in German and there are lots of them to learn. They are the action words that bring sentences to life. Let's start with the present tense of some common verbs like sein, to be, haben, to have, and machen, to do, make. These verbs are essential for everyday conversation. These verbs are used all the time, so mastering them will really help you in your journey to fluency. Practice speaking them with a partner to get the hang of it. Hours 7 and 8, mastering essential German vocabulary. Now that you know some grammar, let's learn more words. Focus on words used in everyday chats. Think about things you talk about a lot: greetings, food, travel, directions, and shopping. Start with German words for things around you: house, car, book, phone. Then, learn verbs for daily things: eat, sleep, work, play. Finally, learn important describing words: good, bad, big, small. By learning these common words, you'll be able to understand and talk in lots of conversations. Don't try to learn everything at once. Use flashcards, apps, or even sticky notes to help you remember. Make it fun. Hours 9 and 10, immersion, your shortcut to fluency. Immersion means surrounding yourself with the language. It's the best way to learn, even if you're not in Germany. Listen to German podcasts or music. Pick something you like news, comedy, or music. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first, just get used to how it sounds. Next, watch German movies or TV shows with subtitles. Pay attention to how people talk. You'll be surprised how much you learn just by watching and listening. The final hour, speaking your way to success. This hour is all about talking. Let's use what you've learned. Find a language partner, join a group, or use an app to talk with native German speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does. Just keep talking, even if it's just a few words. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Remember, language is about talking to people. Focus on getting your message across, even if it's not perfect. Use your hands, your face, anything to help people understand you. Beyond 11 hours, your journey to German fluency. You did it! You finished the 11-hour crash course. You have a good start now. But this is just the beginning. Practice every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Review words, listen to podcasts, watch movies, and most importantly, talk. Use your German every chance you get. Travel to Germany, talk to native speakers online, or join a German club. The more you use it, the better you'll get. Learning a language is awesome. It opens up new cultures and helps you meet people from all over the world. Keep practicing, stay excited, and have fun.